guys, and welcome back to Louis Buck Productions. Today it's a bit different. I'm in my car. I'm totally stationary, just to show you that. Needles on zero, so nobody can say you shouldn't be doing that while driving. And I missed the steering wheel with my phone there. I'm leaning against the steering wheel because I don't have the tripod. But anyway, in today's episode we are doing something totally and completely different. We are going into a yard. Yes. But we're doing more than that. We're going into the yard to look at my next purchase, which will hopefully be coming back to my home village this next wee while. Quite soon, I'm hoping. Because it obviously is the wintry time of year and I don't want snow coming around before this appears back. So yeah. Mainly I was thinking of doing this video in front of the next purchase, but I've got a bit of time until the guy comes to open the gate. So I thought, let's do the intro now, and then we'll have a quick look around the lorry. Oops. We'll have a quick look around the purchase, which you now know is a lorry, once we get up into the yard. So, basically, I'm in the car, and the yard is way up there. Way at the other end. So yeah, just waiting to get up there and see what I can do with it today, and hopefully get it ready to be recovered back home. So, let's see how today goes. And here it is, guys, the latest purchase. Currently buried behind a caravan. So, I guess it's time to go and dig it out. And now, there is a path. The caravan is going. So there you have it, guys, the latest edition. And you may be thinking, wait a minute, you was just in the yard, now you're quite clearly inside in different clothes and that one. And you're quite right. Sunday when I was moving that Albion, I was absolutely soaking. It rained the whole time I was trying to move it. And yeah, so I didn't really do anything else. Fun enough, I was like that. Yeah, I didn't do anything else on Sunday. I just took the rest of the time off to just have a break. So this is actually the Monday. It's just the following day, which I'm still tired, but yeah. But yeah, so that's the introduction and moving the latest project out of the yard. I am awaiting it to be delivered back home so that the next stages can happen with it. But just a little sneak peek, I've got the badge here. And I know that this film is showing it up reverse. Unfortunately, I was going to do it the other way of the camera, but then, yeah, a bit more struggle when I'm filming like this. But yeah, got the badge. So that'll be going back on it at some point in the future. Next stages is to get it back and do a full evaluation of what is to tackle first. I somewhat think it's going to be brakes after the performance of getting it out has shown that only one wheel turned. The rest of them refused to move. So I think it'll be the brakes first, see if it runs, and get started on the timber work. But anyway, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video of pulling the latest project out of the yard. A new kind of video for me, I have to say. If you have, give the video a like. If you want to stay up to date with the latest on the Albion restoration, remember and hit subscribe button on the channel. And we'll try and keep weekly, or well, I say weekly, that's going to be tricky. Probably as regular updates on the Albion project, as well as with the ongoing restorations I've got at home, as well as, again, the Regals, etc. I have been working on Mark V recently, so it is going to be coming back soon. So that's another one that's going to be happening. But anyway, I'm going to go and relax for the rest of my evening. And I guess we'll see you next time for whatever project run I'm on next. Quite a few anyway. Well, we'll see you again, guys.